How to foster a growth mindset in kids. The many milestones that indicate growth and development are a joy to behold and celebrate in your child. As your baby grows into a toddler and takes their first steps, you've been there to chart and applaud this milestone. First words, first days at kindergarten, first sleepover are all signs that your child is growing and developing. And the outgrown clothes and outfits are another clue that your child is growing fast. It's important to remember that psychological growth is essential too, for your child's well-rounded development. In this video, we consider how you can support your child's psychological growth by fostering a growth mindset with your child. What is a growth mindset? Social psychologist Carol Dweck first identified the concept of a growth mindset in her 2007 book Mindset, The New Psychology of Success. Dweck argues that our attitude impacts our performance. In other words, if we believe we can be successful when faced with a challenge, then we are more likely to achieve that success. Dweck calls this positive attitude that expresses a belief in our potential and capabilities a growth mindset. By contrast, believing that we are limited in our learning and what we can achieve is known as a fixed mindset. The benefits of a growth mindset for children. Since Dweck's initial research, there have been numerous studies indicating the vast potential gains for children who adopt a growth mindset. Research shows positive learning gains for children who are encouraged to develop a growth mindset. Growth mindset is a phrase you are now likely to hear in many kindergartens and schools. Fostering a growth mindset. The good news is there are simple and effective strategies you can implement as a parent that support your child in adopting a growth mindset. Think of these as gifts you can give to your child that will serve them well for the rest of their life. In doing so, you are likely to also move towards a growth mindset yourself, which can pay dividends to you as a parent. Like anything, regular practice helps when it comes to developing a growth mindset. Aim to implement the following 3 growth mindset strategies into you and your child's daily life on a regular basis. The power of yet. When faced with challenge, it can be easy to give up and give in. Adopting a growth mindset includes finding ways to reassure yourself that you simply haven't achieved your goal or solved the problem yet. This simple word opens up possibilities and offers hope. When your child begins to get frustrated, model a growth mindset by saying, "Okay, you've not managed to do that yet." Use the word yet when you speak about your own struggles. Let your child hear you finding ways to adapt and respond to a challenge rather than admitting defeat. Praise effort. All children respond to praise. When it comes to praising children for their achievements, recognizing effort over intelligence is vital from a growth mindset viewpoint. Whilst it might be tempting to say to your child, "Well done, you are so clever," such a phrase focuses on a quality that seems more fixed to a child. By contrast, saying, "Great job, you really stuck at that," focuses on the qualities of persistence and effort. These qualities are the ingredients that allow a child to develop and grow resilience in the face of challenge. Embrace the gift of feedback. A growth mindset sees feedback as an opportunity for growth. Feedback often comes after we face challenge or are not initially successful. That's where the growth mindset acronym of FAIL can be helpful. A failure is simply a first attempt in learning. In this way, a setback is a chance to develop and improve. Make it your business to model a positive attitude to feedback to your child. Demonstrate that you welcome feedback and can be flexible and adaptable. Your child will soon learn to emulate your growth mindset. So, developing a growth mindset has numerous benefits for both you and your child. These simple, everyday strategies can support your child to foster a growth mindset. As a result, you'll soon be celebrating their psychological growth as well as their physical development. The takeaways. 1. Recent research about growth mindsets shows that believing we can grow and develop our capacities for learning makes us more likely to achieve success. 2. Recognizing the power of yet can help foster a growth mindset in our children. Failure today simply means they haven't mastered something yet. 3. Praising effort over intelligence and valuing feedback as a chance to learn are 2 other strategies that parents can use to support their children in developing a growth mindset. For additional content and quick tips on routine parenting stuff, subscribe to our YouTube channel ThinkJr or visit our website. Hope you enjoyed watching.